Timileyin ṣàlàáfíà lẹ́wà pàápàá lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Timileyin Ajayi. Yes, story ẹ̀ ṣì ń lọ káàkiri nítorí pé kí ni ọ̀nà tí Timileyin yìí tó gbé gbà pa arábìnrin tó ń jẹ́ Salome ó wà gruesome. Àfi ọ̀dájú abiyamọ, ọ̀dájú ọmọdé, ọ̀dájú àgbàlagbà àbí àwọn tó bá ń ṣerú wà bẹ́ẹ̀ òun ni wọ́n á sọ wípé àkí ló wá wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀, let it go. Ìyẹn ti lọ ṣe bí Nàìjíríà ni. Nǹkan ṣe, nǹkan bẹ, nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ kéèyàn dẹ̀ mú ọmọ ẹ̀dá ènìyàn bí ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ kó dẹ̀ kún bí súyà. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó kún tán ó wá wá arrange ẹ̀ sínú lẹ́dà about to be dispatched, about to be eaten. Ẹ̀yin tètè mi, mo sọ fún yín, mo ní Timileyin Clifford orji ni. Clifford orji ni. Ẹ máa confirm ẹ̀ lẹ́nu sister obìnrin tí Timileyin kún bí súyà.
Then he had tomato in his room. Plenty tomatoes. I don't know what he wanted to use the tomato to do. But men looking at that guy, he looks like someone that even eats human flesh. He keep the tomato for there. No indomie, nothing like food there for that house. The only thing wey dey for that house na igbo wey he smoke. Now the only thing wey dey for the house be that when we enter. And the table with the cutlass and the rubber wey he use. Then he mop the rubber, that rubber wey they use the mop.
Mọ̀mọ́ Timileyin yẹn, abiyamọ alálùbáríkà, ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu abiyamọ. Ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu abiyamọ gidi, ẹ gbọ́ràn lẹ́nu abiyamọ. Ẹ gbọ́ràn lẹ́nu abiyamọ. Ó ní tó bá jẹ́ ọmọ tòun kọ́, ó ní so kí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ṣe ìdájọ́ bó ṣe tọ́ àti bó ṣe yẹ. Like father like son, like father like son. Ẹ máa gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu bàbá Timileyin, like father like son. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ẹ gbọ́ràn yìí ná, ẹ gbọ́ fídíò yìí. Thank you.
Orozo community in the same local government area is where Timi's parents and his other siblings reside. The elderly couple is grappling with the devastating incident in their quiet neighborhood. The family maintains that Timi, one of 3 children, was not disowned. While his father pleads on his behalf, his mother has chosen to let the authorities handle the matter.
I want government make them help me, make it the matter help me. I beg. Maybe they can help me beg the people. The girl, Adibi is one of my daughter. They did that one to how do I feel? Ma. You know? So I don't know anything government want to do. Everything is government hand.
The Nigeria police and authorities maintain that investigations are ongoing, while the Nasarawa state government is promising to ensure that the perpetrator is brought to book.